Our goal is to improve human-machine interaction by employing the latest mixed reality technologies. We developed a new app that is designed to make life more comfortable and increase productivity for users of the Siemens coffee machine. The XR Service app is a virtual manual that includes easy-to-follow instructions for the maintenance of the machine. To achieve maximum usability, we implemented groundbreaking object tracking that digitally captures the entire coffee machine. By adding digital layers to the interface, it visually recreates various service scenarios. Technology works best if it's backed by a smart user experience concept. The XR Service app is compatible with various devices, mobile as well as mixed reality headsets, like the Microsoft HoloLens. The XR Service app's smart usability concept boosts productivity, and it's a lot of fun to use.